In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave multiple channels in Telegram. If your chat list has gotten a little crowded and you want to clean it up quickly, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to leave several channels at once on both mobile and desktop without any confusion. First, open Telegram. Make sure you are on your main chat list where all your conversations and channels appear. On mobile, tap and hold on any channel you want to leave. After a moment, you'll see a check mark appear, confirming that channel is selected. You are now in multi-select mode. While you are in this mode, simply tap on any other channels you want to remove. You'll see a check mark appear on each one you select. So take a second to scan your list and make sure you've picked everything you no longer need. When you are ready, look for the trash bin icon, usually at the top or bottom of the screen, and tap it. Telegram may ask you to confirm that you want to leave those channels and delete their messages from your device. Go ahead and confirm, and all the selected channels will be removed at once. A quick tip here. Leaving a channel removes it from your chat list and clears its message history from your device. You can always rejoin public channels later by searching for them again. For private channels, you'll need a fresh invite link if you decide to come back. If you don't see a trash bin for any reason, look for a delete or leave option in the menu that appears after selecting. Now, let's do the same thing on desktop. Open Telegram on your computer and locate the channels you want to leave in your chat list. Right-click on any channel to select it. You'll notice that it becomes highlighted, indicating selection mode is active. Then, right-click other channels you want to leave to add them to the selection. Once you've selected everything you want to remove, choose Delete or Leave from the context menu, or click the trash bin if it's visible. Confirm when prompted, and Telegram will remove all those channels in one go. If you are batch cleaning, it helps to sort or scan your list for old or silent channels first so you select them efficiently. Also remember, leaving channels won't notify other members, so feel free to tidy up without worry. After you are done, your chat list should feel lighter and notifications more manageable. That's it. Thanks for watching.